All right, number 3, we want to solve this triangle if possible. So in this example, we are given 2 sides in one angle. So we probably will be looking at the ambiguous case again, where we have 2 possible solutions anytime you have 2 sides. So if we just kind of draw out a triangle to kind of see what we're looking at, drawing them all kind of like obtuse. So we're given angle A. I'll just call this A, this B, and this C. So angle A is 37.1. Side A is opposite of that, which is going to be 22.43. And then we're given side B, which is going to be opposite of angle B, 10.88. Now, I did not draw this correctly. The longer side probably should be opposite of C, but it's okay. 10.88. I'm just looking at the measurements. If angle A is going to be less than 90, it's going to be an acute angle. And comparing the sides, angle A is probably going to be bigger than angle B because of that side. So that means C would be there, but it's okay. So based on what we're given, we got side A, angle A, and then we have side B. We can solve for angle B like we did on problem number 1. So I'm going to do A sine of angle A equal to B sine of angle B. (22.43) over sine of 37.1 is equal to 10.88 divided by sine of B, which we don't know. So I'll cross multiply these. Times sine of angle B equal to 10.88 times sine of 37.1. We're going to divide by the 22. That will leave us with sine of B is equal to 10.88 sine 37.1 divided by 22.43. And then we're going to do the inverse sine to figure out what angle B is. So we're going to say angle B is equal to the inverse sine, the sine -1 up there. 10.88 sine 37.1 all divided by 22.43. Okay, so we're going to put this in. We're going to find angle B. Second inverse sine. Make a fraction inside of there. 10.88 sine 37.1 and then on the bottom 22.43 and then close. Gives us 17 degrees nearest 10th. I think that'll stay 17. So we'll call B1 roughly roughly 17 degrees. So if this is B1, then B2 would be 180 minus that, because there's supplementary angle 17, which would give us 163. So if I have a 160-degree angle and I add the angle that we already have, which is A, which is 37, that's going to give us something that's over 180. So it looks like it's not going to be the case this time that we will have a 201 degrees. So this is over 180, so there's no way I can have two angles to add up to be more than 180 and get a right triangle. So we got to check for that though. So in this case, it's looking like we will not have the two solutions, so we'll just have the one. And so now that I found this angle, I will find angle C. Minus 37.1 minus 17, 125.9. Got angle C, got angle B. Now we just need to figure out side C. So we're going to do A, sine A, A over sine A is going to be equal to C over sine C. Point 3 over sine. $37.1 side C over sine C. Sine of 125.9. And then I'm going to cross this over here, and that will give me C, which will be 22.43 times the sine of the 125.9 divided by sine of 37.1. All right. That'll give us side C. 22.43 sine of 125.9 over sine of 37.1. And it gives us 30, and we want to round side measures to the nearest hundredth. So 2 decimal places, side measures, nearest hundredth. So 30.12. Angle B was 17, and C 125.9.